Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change color in Microsoft Word. Want to customize Microsoft Word with a different theme color? I'll show you how to change the theme color in just a few clicks. Just follow these few simple steps. The first step is to open Word and then go to Options. Now when you open the Word menu, click on File. Now we're on the Home button. Click on File and then click on Options. As you can see here, under General, let's look for General. Look for Office theme if available. Now we're gonna see if we're gonna find the Office theme. No, we didn't find it. You can try in this customization options. You can choose color theme from colorful, which is the default option, dark gray, black or white for dark mode or light mode, and then click on OK and save the changes. The third step is to customize theme colors, and to do that just go to design. Let's go to the design section. Let's open a new document and let's go to design and then click on customize color. For colors here and modify specific elements, you can choose a color, for example this one. You can even choose the theme you want. You can choose this theme right here. You can change the colors of the office theme. You can choose these ones right here. You can see the grayscale, blue warm, etc. You can even change the color the page color, and you can also add borders to your page, and you can customize them. Now after customizing them, make sure to click on save to apply. For additional tips, use dark mode for eye comfort and customize theme colors for better document branding. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you change theme colors in Microsoft Word. Simple and customizable. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.